Imagination Library is a national program that provides newborn babies to the age of 5 with a quality educational book in the mail once a month. The initiative was created by Dolly Parton's desire to help children learn, and community organizations in Greenville are partnering together to study the benefits of the program. WNCT's Dominique Moody joins us now to explain how the study will help educators. Dominique?
Angie, the Imagination Library is a free resource for parents who want their children to begin learning and developing their skills as a reader. And I had a chance to see how the initiative plans to help kids right here in the East.
This program is a win-win for everybody in the community.
A win-win with the goal to increase literacy skills and reading for children.
We understand that less than half the kids entering Pitt County schools in kindergarten are ready to learn. And we're going to turn that number around.
Thanks to a partnership between the United Way of Pitt County, the Martin Pitt Partnership for Children, and the Early Literacy Coalition, children 5 and under can read for free.
If children are entering school ready to learn, their chances of success in school are that much greater, and they're going to graduate and they're going to be ready to move on to college or to take a job.
Jim Ciesler is the director of United Way and says this initiative will not only help children, but companies in the East.
The more we can create that competent workforce, the more we're going to be able to attract new businesses and better serve the businesses that we have here, because they will have a competent pool of workers to draw from.
In step, the study done by educational professors at ECU, who want to make it their mission for students to learn the basics before picking up a book.
We're more interested in the language skills that reading to kids can influence. So we're looking more at kids' ability, for example, to tell a story, their ability to just interact around language.
As children continue to learn, it all starts with parents.
If children are entering school ready to learn, their chances of success in school are that much greater, and they're going to graduate and they're going to be ready to move on to college or to take a job.
Now, every child under the age of 5 living in Pitt County is eligible. Parents can register their children in the Imagination Library at the United Way of Pitt County's website or by calling 252-758-1604 to request an enrollment form. Dominique Moody, 9 on your side.